Hello and welcome to today's edition. Stephen Williams here. I will quickly be showing you a general overview of the Chem-sketch. So the objectives of this tutorial first is to show you how you can download this software. Subsequently, we'll be looking at the general use of the software. And lastly, on this tutorial, I'll be showing you the basic description on the mood. And we have various modes on the ACD Chem-sketch software. We have the structure and the draw mode. Now, this is how you can be able to download the software. All you need to do is just to get to your browser and type this URL that you can see on the screen here. This URL, though I will leave it at the comment, at the description of this video, so you can click on it and download it. So first and foremost, when you get into the acdlabs.com, it will require you to sign up to the site, and you can do two different kind of downloads where you can have a freeware or a commercial version. Now, for normally students and those who use it for academic purpose, I recommend the downloading of the freeware because the commercial version involves payment online. So therefore, when you click up to sign up to download the freeware, you will be required to enter some of your particulars, which will involve the use of your email. Now, you will be required to enter in your email. Thereafter, you will receive a code in the mail, and you will enter in the code so that you can be able to download the software. So when you enter the code that is sent to your mail, immediately you can be able to do that. Now quickly, when you have the software downloaded, all you just need to do is to run a setup for the software till you finish. Well, the general use of the Chem-sketch software is a free comprehensive chemical drawing package. Now ACD Chem-sketch software is a drawing package that allows you to draw chemical structures including organics, organometallics, polymers, and marquise structures. It also includes features such as calculation of molecular properties, e.g., molecular weight, density, molar refractivity, etc. You can also draw 2 and 3D structures, cleaning and viewing, functionality and naming of structure fewer than 50 atoms and 3 rings. The prediction of the log P. Now, this software version does not include the functionality of the commercial version. That's why I began earlier telling you that we have 2 of this Chem-sketch version, which is the freeware, which is normally for personal and academic purposes, and the commercial version for companies and governments. Now, this tool is used in academics or for education. Now, it helps in teaching chemistry concept in high school, undergraduate, and graduate. In academics or for education. Now, it helps in teaching chemistry concept in high school, undergraduate, and graduate chemistry. In addition, students benefit from this software environment too, so as to enable them work on difficult structures, perhaps while they are working on them. So therefore, we have the Chem-sketch modes. We have the structure mode and we have the draw mode. I will quickly be turning on the software so that we can be able to see the both mode, which is the structure for structure drawing, and for the draw mode, which enables you to draw some basic shapes on the ACD Chem-sketch software. So quickly, let me jump down to the software and I will show you some of the basic functionalities there. Thank you. Alright, so this is my Chem-sketch software. I click on it to open. Say no, say OK. Alright, so this is the window pane of the Chem-sketch software. As you can see, this already is on the structure mode, and on the structure mode we can see variety of functionalities here. And we have the draw mode. As you can see here, various shapes here available. Let me get back to the structure. And on the structure mode, you see different elements here on the side. Here are some substituents here. Here is the periodic table. These are some of the other functionalities here which I would like to look at in more detail here. I will click on the show buttons here. Now, this functionality here stands for select and move. So perhaps maybe you put down a structure and you want to continue, you just click on the mode here. So it's just here. We have the select and rotate size. We have the 3D rotation, the lasso on and off, to draw normal and to draw a continuous structure. So I will be demonstrating possibly side by side some of these functionalities so that we can be able to know how to get alongside with them. So quickly, let me draw a continuous structure here, which is this. You can just click and release it. So this is what this functionality is used for. So here says draw chains, so you can also click on this, draw chains. So I can draw it this way, depending on the number of carbons required for you to draw. So this is the function of this. You can go up to stereo bonds, down stereo bonds. So quickly, let me try them out here. And this also. Let's go down to the remaining functionality to set an R, coordinating arrows, the undefined stereo bonds, the solid delocalization curve, the Marquis bond. All of these functionalities, we'll be looking at them in more detailed form. But we are just looking at them generally. The reaction plots, the reaction arrow labeling, the reaction calculators. These are a lot of functionalities you can indeed find here. This is how to clean a structure, the 3D optimization, where you can have the 3D view. So we can go back to the draw mode, and here you can be able to insert some of these basic shapes available. All you need to do is just to click on it, drag out and drop. For this also, these are some of the basic functionalities of this. Right, let me get back to the structure view, and next I will just want to tell you this. Now, as you can see, it's showing that I'm still holding on to these stereo bonds. So for me to be able to pick the next tool, I just need to come here and click on the select mode. Thereby, it leaves me with a free selecting tool where I can be able to navigate through this software. Possibly, perhaps you also want to type a piece of text. You can come here to this menu that says text. You click. It's asking you to edit it. So maybe in case I want to write a chemical structure, I just want to make use of the times Tahoma, rather. You can also decide the font size, but I'm not interested in that, so I want to write a chemical structure like this. Calcium carbonate. Of course, you know that it's supposed to have a subscript here. So I click on that and write 3. So you see this functionality enables me to enter this, and that is that. So you can be able to use your text tool to navigate all through that. I can click off this, so I have my calcium carbonate already typed. In the subsequent tutorials, I will be guiding you on basic steps, drawing some complex structures together so that we can get acquainted to the software. I will be making more videos on this, so for you to be able to follow through with all this tutorial, all I need you to do is to hit on the subscribing button so that whenever I have my next video, you will receive a notification for that. So thank you for listening. You can give me a thumbs up, and perhaps you have any question you want to ask, you can leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you for listening.